I hope you are ready to learn some English. Wait a minute. I hope you? Shouldn't it be I hope that you? I'm Teacher Mike. I help adults like you learn real English that they can use in their daily lives. And today, we are talking about the word hope. Very quickly, I first just want to say that this video is not going to answer every question that you might have about the word hope. That would be a very long video. The main goal of this video is just to help you understand how and why we use hope that, hope to, and hope for when using hope as a verb. If you get to the end of this video and still have questions about the word hope, please feel free to ask in the comments, and I will try my best to either answer your questions in the comments or in future videos. First things first, to hope basically means to want something to happen, or to want something to be true. However, it focuses more on the fact that we know that this thing might not happen, or might not be true. For example, if I say, I hope that it snows tomorrow, this tells you that I want it to snow, but I also know that it might not snow. Or if I say, I hope that you give this video a thumbs up, this means that I want you to give the video a thumbs up, but I also know that you might not do it. And although we often use hope when talking about the future, we can also use it when talking about the present and the past. Now, hope that. Hope that is usually followed by a subject and a verb. This one is really easy to use because you can just take any sentence and put subject hope that before it. Also, in conversation, we often don't include the word that. So, if you call your friend who is on vacation, you might say, I hope you're having a good time. Or if your guests are leaving after a party, you might say, I hope you had a good time. However, when talking about the future, we don't usually use will or going to. When talking about the future, we usually use hope followed by present simple tense. For example, I hope I pass my exam this Friday. Or, I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. There are some special situations in which we might use hope with will or going to, especially when without those words, it might not be clear whether we are talking about the present or the future. But most of the time, using will or going to is unnecessary and will probably just make your language sound strange. We use hope to when the subject is thinking about themselves doing something, not about someone or something else doing something. And this one is always about the future. So, I hope to is basically the same as I hope I. For example, I hope to see you again soon. Kumar hopes to be a good father. Or, Maria hopes to buy a new car this week. We use hope for with nouns. And this is another one that we only use to talk about the future. For example, we hope for peace. They are hoping for a daughter. Or, we had hoped for a better price. And as I said in the beginning, if you have any other questions about the word hope, please leave them in the comments.